To apply for a personal loan, start by assessing your budget to determine how much you need to borrow. Calculate your monthly expenses, taxes, and take-home pay. Then subtract your expenses from your income to see how much is left. Next, check your credit score. As personal loans typically require a minimum credit score, you can use the Credit Karma app to check your score. After checking your credit, pre-qualify for a loan by providing information such as the amount you want to borrow, how you plan to use the money, your income, employment status, and other details. The lender will review your information to determine if you qualify, and if so, will provide you with loan offers. Compare these offers to find the one that suits you best, selecting the loan term and interest rate that works for you. Once you've chosen an offer, you'll need to apply for it, providing documentation such as monthly housing costs, ID verification, Social Security number, and income verification. After submitting your application, the lender will finalize your loan approval, which may result in a hard credit inquiry that could affect your credit score. Although this should not cause long-term damage,